Hello, my name is Lucky, thanking you for taking your time to call my community workshop permit to carry gun class. Multi-state. When you get your permit to carry, taking my course, you are also eligible to carry legally in over 25 other states in the United States of America. How about that? Because I'm working on my PhD and other endeavors, and also because of the unpredictable weather, I am not having any classes until after March 25th. After March 25th. However, if you are in a domestic situation, or if you are in a situation where you need your permit to carry right now, and you have a police report to demonstrate this kind of an emergency, I will get you into a class without delay. Otherwise, call back after March 25th for my next permit to carry gun class. Listen, when you do call back, let me know that you watched this video and I will give you $25 off my class in March. How about that? Scroll down, scroll down. You will get more information on my background, and I look forward to seeing you in March. Remember, scroll down to read more information. Peace be with you, and thank you for calling.